not travel. If you want commitment, mfundisi, then give it. If you want respect, you are not going to demand it, but give it first. If you want accountability, qala wena an account. Don't betray the ministry. If you want peace, qala wena and seek peace. If you want a happy circuit, be a happy minister. If you want a joyful circuit, be a joyful minister. Do not demand what you are not planting. If wena you are full of conflicts, do not betray the ministry. And so Paul is saying, mind yourself. Guard yourself. Hey man, guard yourself. Do not be that minister ongana timing. Do you know those ones? The one who is in a